manufacture jelly beans in New Zealand. But we make natural jelly beans, artificial jelly beans, wee jelly beans, medium jelly beans, big jelly beans, and we make a good bean. When we source ingredients and our laboratory and kettles, we don't go budget, we don't go skim. You know, we put the money in. So actually to get that 3 mint, there's about 5-6 processes it takes to make that. And I'll show you the finished product around the corner. How many 74? Good day, boys. These are natural fruit juice, pillow wrap, into rainbow, into individual rainbow foil. These are all natural flavours and natural colour fruit juice. They end up in Halloween, Christmas, lolly scrambles, Christmas parades, birthday parties, all sorts of stuff. Pineapple Chunks. Charles Diver created the original pineapple luck recipe and we still manufacture that. We still have his recipe book. Like back in 2001, Rainbow Confectionery was bought by 3 New Zealanders when an international shut the factory down, made everyone redundant, so they hired 6 people back, started up, and that's grown over the last 18 years to employ up to 110 people annually. We sell over 3,200 a tonne of lollies. And as you can see behind me, there's a few lollies on it. But a couple of years ago I built this wee puppy out here. Lots. And lots of lollies. We hold no more than 4 weeks of cover stock. And we run 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. If it says manufactured in New Zealand, it's Rainbow. This is where we manufacture lollies, and this is called the starch room. And these guys are on pro trucks, so they deliver these stands. These dryers hold about 80 stands of lollies. Each stand holds 90 trays. I like these. We're the only manufacturer of fondant in New Zealand, and the only manufacturer of jelly beans, and the original manufacturer of pineapple chunks. And I like these. So this pump here is dosing in that delicious red heat of the volcano, and then this pump here is dosing in the base. New Zealand made goods, eh? You've got to support local manufacturing. The money gets returned to workers. It gets returned by increasing employment and increasing opportunities and more jobs and more product and more trust, more integrity. Not just our jobs, it's the delivery jobs, it's the jobs in the supermarkets, it's putting it on the shelves, it's the ingredient suppliers, it's everyone. The jobs stay in New Zealand and the money gets invested back into the business. It doesn't go offshore, it stays here. That's what it's all about.